As expected, the laptop has a tapered profile. It's probably as pronounced as the MacBook Air, with the thinnest end of the wedge being only 6 mm thick. This is clearly Ultrabook territory, especially as Chuwi chose a magnesium aluminum alloy for its chassis to give the machine an even posher look. We didn't detect any flex with the screen or keyboard, which goes some way to show how sturdy the LapBook Air is, impressively so. The dimly lit Chuwi logo on the lid is yet another nod to Apple's MacBooks. This is a hefty enough piece of kit, weighing 1.74 kilograms with dimensions of 329 by 220 by 20.5 millimeters. Oddly enough, it comes with a relatively small power supply unit, a 24 watts, 12 volts, 2A model. Open the laptop up and you'll find a big 14.1-inch Full HD display with a decent sized keyboard and an average sized touchpad, the latter of which is totally smooth. CPU, Intel Celeron N3450 quad-core 2.2 GHz. Graphics, Intel HD Graphics 500. RAM, 8 GB. There are two USB 3.0 ports, a microSD card reader, a mini HDMI port, an audio jack and a proprietary power connector. You also get 802.11 acres Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.0, 2 speakers, 2 microphones and a 2-megapixel front-facing camera to round things off. Inside the LapBook, the hardware consists of the usual suspects, a triumvirate of components, Intel Celeron processor, DDR3 memory and IMC storage, that have become part and parcel of all the entry-level Windows-based systems we've reviewed over the past year. There's also a free slot to add an optional M.2 storage component. Just take off a small plastic cover and plug in the SSD, and you're ready to go. As for the battery, it is a 10,000 mAh model, and as expected, this notebook runs Windows 10 Home.